Translation. Translation is the process of polymerization of amino acids, thus giving polypeptides. Amino acids join to each other through the bond named as peptide bonds, and the order and sequence of amino acids is defined by the sequence of base pairs of RNA. Now, the process of translation, in the first phase or the first step, amino acid gets activated in the presence of ATP and gets attached to tRNA, which is known as amino acylation of tRNA. This activated tRNA gets attached to another activated tRNA. If a catalyst is present, it increases this rate of reaction and it is attached to another tRNA through peptide bond and thus forms polypeptides. Ribosome is the cellular factory for synthesis of proteins or is the site for protein synthesis. Ribosome consists of RNA plus 80 different proteins. In its inactive state, ribosome is having two units. One is large subunit, the other is small subunit. Large subunit further have two sites which are responsible for amino acid binding. Now let us understand the process of translation. mRNA with the help of tRNA, which is the initiator, which is having initiator codon AUG, that is initiator tRNA recognizes. Then this mRNA gets attached to small subunit of ribosome and it gets translated giving us proteins. This mRNA also have a region named as UTR. This UTR is the terminator or one responsible for stopping the process of translation. This UTR is present at 5th before the start and at 3 after the end of AUG codon. Now, ribosome gets attached to this mRNA. Then comes the elongation phase in which complexes of amino acids are attached one to each other and binded in the place in large subunit of ribosome. Then a release factor is there. Once this phase or cycle is completed, this release factor releases the long polypeptide chain or proteins are formed and further stops this process of translation. Next is regulation of gene expression. It is a very broad term which tells us about the regulations of gene expression. Majorly three factors are responsible for the regulation. These are metabolical, physiological and environmental factors, and various sites where the regulation of gene expression occurs is at transcription level, processing level, translational level or transportation of mRNA level. In case of prokaryotes DNA, this is transcription initiation level at which the regulation of gene expression is witnessed. This regulation of gene expression is important because we know that gene expression results in many characters, traits, many functions. As in case of certain bacteria, they need an enzyme to digest lactose, but if their external environment or their external medium in which they are growing is not having lactose now or is deprived of lactose, then the environmental factor will come in regulation of gene expression and will give a check to it.